Moi! Mä oon Charlotte. Tänään on keskiviikko kello 21. So let's start learning Finnish today. First of all, I'm gonna recap. In the last video, I've learned a few verbs and I'm gonna memorize how the verbs conjugate according to different pronouns. And then I'm gonna do more practice with the verb conjugation. So the final part, I'm gonna introduce vowel harmony, which is a very important phenomenon in the Finnish language. So let's get started. So here are three verbs. One is the to be verb, olla. The second is puhua, speak. The third is loppua, end, end or finish. Okay, so since I'm quite familiar with the olla, minä olen, sinä olet, hän on, me olemme, te olette, he ovat. And I'm gonna skip this to the second one, puhua. So it changes its form. Minä puhun, sinä puhut, hän puhuu, me puhumme, te puhutte, he puhuvat. Let's check. Okay, the third one. Minä lopun, sinä loput, hän loppuu, me loppumme, te loputte, he loppuvat. So here it involves like consonant gradation. So except hän, he, so except loppu, loppuvat, the rest of them or delete one P in the middle. Okay, let's move on to do some more practice. Okay, so for this verb puhua, I'm gonna combine it with the languages I've learned previously. So here's the practice. I speak English. Minä puhun englantia. Sinä puhut saksaa. Hän puhuu ranskaa. Me puhumme vähän suomea. Te puhutte venäjää. He puhuvat ruotsia. So an extra R is added to the end of each language because it involves partitive case, and it's a little bit complex, so I'll just skip it for now, and let's move on to the next one. So here, as you see, there are two words of the same meaning here, loppua and lopettaa. Both of them mean finish, end, and the only difference between them is that loppua is mostly used in passive form, and it means something itself ends, something itself finishes. But lopettaa, it's a transitive verb, so it requires a direct object at the end. So I can form sentence with the lopettaa. For instance, I finished the book, you finished the work, but loppua cannot be used in this way. So we can learn lopettaa for now. Minä lopetan, sinä lopetat, hän lopettaa, me lopetamme, te lopetatte, he lopettavat. Okay. Let's form the sentence. I finished the book. Minä lopetan kirjan. Okay. You finish the work. Sinä lopetat työn. Since the object here is also involved the phenomenon of partitive case, so normally there should be an n added to the end. So kirja changes to kirjan, työ changes to työn. But for the concept, it's a bit complex. So I'll just practice this kind of sentences. She finishes the task. It seems that I forgot the word task. Hän lopettaa tehtävän. Is that tehtävän? Yes, task. Assignment, task. Tehtävän. We finished the movie. Movie. Elokuva. Me lopetamme elokuvan. Yeah. You finished the course. This is the plural you. So te lopetatte kurssin. They finished the project. He lopettavat projektin. Okay. Okay. Here we are in the final part. And today I'm gonna learn vowel harmony. And I just realized it's a very important phenomenon in Finnish language. The vowel harmony means that the vowels can be normally divided into different groups. For instance, here are 3 groups. One is front vowels, and one is back vowels, and the other is neutral vowels. And here is the explanation. The front vowels are produced with the tongue towards the front of the mouth. And the back vowels are produced with the tongue towards the back of the mouth. So it's kind of divided by the position of the mouth, by the position of the vowel in the mouth. So these vowels, e, ö, u, they belong to front vowels. And here is an example. For instance, the word tyttö, tyttö. For this word, there are 2 vowels. One is u, and there is ö. Okay, they all belong to front vowels. And then for back vowels, a, o, u. And I chose this example, talo. A and o are back vowels here. And neutral vowels usually occur either with front vowels or back vowels. So here is the example, koidra, koidra. So here, O, A belong to back vowels, and E is neutral vowel, so they can come alongside. And another example is gessi, gessi. So here, E comes along with E, that is a front vowel. So it's kind of flexible for the neutral vowels to choose front vowels or back vowels. So I think it's widely used in in this language, and normally it's very important to learn this vowel harmony, especially when we want to add some suffix to the stem of the word. So I'm gonna learn it later. I'll just be familiar with this concept. Okay, I think we're good in today. So it's time to say goodbye. So here is the new word. See you next time. Next time.